In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Avalon key fob and change the internal battery at home. Now, if you clicked on this video, you might be saying, hey, I have a different key fob. Well, if it looks like this, but it just has a glossy finish in here, or if it even has some text under the battery, don't worry. It's the same device, the same process to open it up, and the same battery. They're just two different fobs. So don't worry, just follow along. It's really easy to do. And if you need to get one, if you'd like to get one of these CR2032 batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon, and it's just a couple of bucks. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. We want to look on the bottom of the device, and you see this little switch there. We're going to hold that down and remove the internal key. And now looking here, we have this is the keyhole, and then perpendicular to it, there's a little slot in the plastic. Okay, we want to insert a regular flathead screwdriver into this slot, and then we just hold the device loosely and twist, and it will crack open pretty easily. You can just set this now to the side and lift out this little component here. Set the other part there to the side. Now, if you have a smaller flathead screwdriver than me, you might be able to get into this little area. We want to get under the battery by going down in this area and prying it up. It does actually take quite a small screwdriver, or you could probably do it with a paper clip or something you have lying around, but I'm going to be using this little precision screwdriver here just to do it safely. And if you don't have anything, if you can't find a paper clip or something like that, I do recommend precision screwdriver, and you can get a little set like this of different sizes, Phillips and flathead, online, and it's just a couple bucks, so I will put that in the description just if you need it. And what we want to do here is look in this little area. You just go under the battery and pry it up. It doesn't take much force. You're just prying the battery up, and it kind of clicks out there. You can take it out with your fingers now. Get rid of your old battery and get a new CR2032 battery. And again, there will be that link in the description if you don't know where to get it, or you just like to get it online. And what we will do here is we want to first push it under these two little pieces of plastic and get that lined up, and then just click in the top. Okay, and just snap it into place there. Make sure it's sitting down in there securely. And what I like to do from here is just carefully lift up this part, set that right on top, and then click the back into place. And you can test it, make sure your light is coming on. That means you followed everything. You followed all the steps correctly, and your battery is charged up. So that's really all it takes, guys. I hope that helped you out. And if it did, you can let me know down in the comments, or just by giving this video a like. And remember, if you ever need to change another battery in any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube, or visit us at fobbattery.com.